Ready to unlock the power of inbound calls with Telnyx and never miss an opportunity to connect with your customers? First, log into your Telnyx portal. Once you're in, navigate to the phone number section in the left-hand menu. Here you'll see a list of your Telnyx numbers. Select the number you want to configure for receiving calls. If you don't have a number yet, you can purchase one directly through the portal. On the number configuration page, you'll find options for inbound call settings. This is where the magic happens. The most important setting is your connection endpoint, which dictates where your calls will be routed. Click the connection endpoint drop-down. You'll see several options like SIP endpoint, WebERC endpoint, or call control app. A SIP endpoint allows connection with IPPBX or another SIP-based platform. WebERC endpoints allow connection with browsers using WebERC-based technologies. Call control apps are used with the Telnyx Call Control API. If you want to forward calls to a traditional phone number, select phone number and enter the destination number in the provided field. Ensure you include the country code. You can also set up advanced call handling options like voicemail, call recording, and custom announcements using our Call Control API. Details and code samples can be found in our documentation. Finally, click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. And that's it. You've successfully configured your Telnyx number to receive incoming calls. Now you can start routing those calls and creating powerful call flows.